Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice. Halloween edition. For the month of October, instead of giving widespread advice for acting and voice acting in specific, I wanted to narrow things down on the topics and try to help you bring more spook to your October. Last week, we covered how to edit your voice to sound spooky. Now it's time to give some advice and tips on how to simply make your voice sound spooky naturally. No effects added. Now, unfortunately for many women, men have this task a lot simpler than us. For most men, simply deepening their voice with more bass, and then adding a bit of gruffness is all it takes to pop out a villain voice. And as you can hear, it doesn't sound quite right for a female to do that now, does it? Now, as a general rule of thumb, when it comes to typecasting voices, the lower the pitch, the more evil they are. And yes, even for women, we just have to work a bit harder and make it more, subtle. Else it kind of sounds weird. No. Naturally deep female voices, on the other hand, that's another story. And those girls will get those roles well before a soprano will. But hey, that doesn't mean we still can't try. Sometimes a simple alto voice is perfect for a villain. But again, not all villains have the same voice. And my favorite use of this is misdirection. I use it a lot in my personal stories and my narrations.
I mean, who would expect someone sounding like this to murder people for a living?
I mean, well, if you know me personally, then there's no surprise at all. But it's a wonderful form of media that I wish more directors would use. Okay, let's say you're going for a subtle evil sound. Try smirking when you talk and give yourself a small hunch. Not only does this make me want to start cackling like a witch, it gives you a bit more of a oomph to your voice to give you that edge or to take on that performance to the next level. Okay, alright, that's all the tips I have for now. Your girl only got 1 hour of sleep last night and her brain critically low. So, thank you for watching. Have any other suggestions or requests for other Eva topics? Leave them in the comments below or at me on Twitter. Creating love. It's still that. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 18 of Eva. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. I'm gonna go sleep now.